Bahay na kami, guys. Binibiro siya ni Kuya na hindi namin kinuha yung gusto niyang pansit.
Actually got it? Yes. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Baka hatiin ko tong vlog natin. Hindi ko alam kung mahaba yung vlog natin, guys. Kasi kahapon at kahapon.
Should have backed it in, bud.
Ha?
Should have backed it in.
Back in?
Yeah.
Do you want me?
Well, yeah.
Okay.
Dad, we got it.
Kasi hindi ko alam kung gano'ng kahaba. Kasi pag mahaba ang vlog, mas matagal ko siyang na-upload, guys. Pag halimbawa, naging 30 minutes siya. Ang tagal talaga. Feeling ko 2 days ako makakapag-upload. So, tingnan natin ha. Pag mahaba tong vlog, gawin ko siyang dalawa. Pasensya po, may part 2. Pero pag hindi naman, gawin natin isa. We'll see. What? What's wrong? What? What? Why Kuya's in the car? Wow, hindi ka pa magdadrive, Kuya.
Put on the brake. Good.
Do you know how?
Let's put on the brake. Alright. And just let it slowly.
Wow, yeah! Kasi magbaback up ako ng car. Si Daddy na talaga. Slowly, slowly, yeah. Slowly.
I've done it before.
You did.
Yeah, I did it at the shed.
Okay.
Like it?
Hmm? Yeah, I do. I like
Oh
it.
my, this should better go.
Ah. But that one looks
Now,
nice.
I've drove it before, haven't I?
Where's the camera,
Yeah,
you
good.
said?
Oh, I like
You want me to watch DJ? Mm.
Dad,
Well done,
at
yeah.
least I got when he stopped over
Yeah,
there.
you get used to the brake.
In 4 years, magdadrive na yan.
Who was left over?
Tulog si Holly pala, guys.
TJ, come on, TJ. Go.
Dad.
Be quiet. Holly's sleeping. This is the fun part, ang mag-put away. Dami natin yung put away. Yung mukha ko nagbabalot, guys. Dito, tsaka dito. Ang init, kaya namumula tayo kasi dahil sa init.
Can you have water with that one or not?
Yes,
have water with
later.
this?
Yeah.
No, not with that.
Yes. No. We have to boil water. Huh?
You want to say the clothes we got?
What clothes you got? Magol si
This
Sak.
is what Dad got.
Okay. Is that for Daddy?
Yeah.
Alright. He has this
No, but
one.
that's different colour.
Yeah, the gray one.
I got this one.
Who's that for Daddy?
Show me my shorts. Dad got this one too.
That's Daddy. I like that. I'll take that one. Yeah, nice.
My old hat. My shirt.
I like that.
Lies. Little shirt.
I like that one.
My
Shirt and
shorts.
t-shirt and all that.
You already have this one.
No, that's a different
The gray one. Oh, they have this. Is that?
Ready?
Oh, nice. Yeah. Where did you go? Arena.
Raina.
Yeah, Raina.
They got wicked dress for Holly, like summer dresses.
Gusto niya talaga si Holing kuhaan.
I like this shirt. Daddy.
Is that the same as your shorts, Kuya? Holly, Sak?
Huh?
Is that the same as your shorts, the print? No, your shorts, the new one. Yes, pinapakita niya.
No, but like, it matches like that.
The rip curl. Okay.
It actually kind of matches these two.
Yeah, yung shorts niya, guys. Ganyan talaga ang kulay niya. Pag tinignan niyo, parang lumang-luma na
You like
yung
this
son.
shirt?
Yeah, I
You
like it.
all of them?
I like all of them. You're lucky.
I really like this one.
Why? No, I like that. That's Kuya. Alright. Ayan na yung ating mga ipuput away. Alright. Magsimula na. Did you put the other book?
I've got your books here.
So we got 3 water. Saka yan galing. Yung nabili ko pa sa Woolies.
You have already had one of them in the car.
Yeah, but we need more.
I like that idea.
Yeah, put that one outside. So, yung Coke sa labas na lang muna yun. And si John, no, di ba kinuha niya yung car? Sila nang pumunta sa Baker's Delight. Ayan yung nakabili nilang tinapa. Ayan na si Sak. Tinatawag niya ako magpuput away. Kuya, turn off the, close the door properly.
Close the what?
Yeah, that's big enough. The door properly because the flies.
Holly's coming.
Where's your other pencil case? How about you? Yeah, si Kuya wala siyang book. No.
Five.
Yeah, you don't need to bring all of them.
You put all of these.
Supply to ng school.
I'll just bring 2.
2? Okay.
No,
So,
that's okay.
just one, yeah.
Test it.
What? Yeah. Where's yours, Baba? Get your bag. And si Zachary, kailangan niyang maglagay dito ng something na gusto niyang gawin, like footy or like picture ng footy or kaya bike.
This is good. My teacher's good.
Your teacher's good?
I need something.
What do you need, Kuya?
So I have a folder.
Remember your password, okay?
Yeah, I need it again for when I've done my work. That's what I did at school, at our school.
Don't put games there,
No,
Kuya.
like just Minecraft. That's
No, nothing in that laptop, Kuya.
So I have
Mag-download daw siyang game.
What do I do with all these pencils?
Just take, no, just carry 3. Okay, 3.
That's what.
Baba, don't mix your stuff with Kuya's sack. Get your bag. Where's your bag? Got a scissor?
I got scissors.
Scissor?
Zach, do you have scissors?
Scissor?
My pencil case. Do
Oh, no.
I put it to sleep or shut down?
Shut down if you don't use it.
I'm not gonna use it anymore.
So, di ba yung aking mga... Can we do this later? We do the grocery first because we... Yeah, later na because we have to put away the stuff. Come on, help mommy first. Holly, later na, come on. We do that later. Come on.
Oh no, this doesn't fit.
Come on.
It doesn't fit.
Hala.
No, okay. Right, yeah,
Just. Okay, come on, help mommy first. We do that later. Get all your yogurt because you have to put the yogurt in the fridge.
want that.
Meron ako ditong ginawa guys na breakfast ko, wala pa akong kain na kahit isa. Wala. Ito dapat yung aking kakainin today. Yung ginawa kong chia pudding. Yung palang kailangan kong bilhin yung chia. So meron akong sarili kong yogurt. Alisin ko na dito kasi yung mga bata. Kuya, come and help me now. Where's your yogurt? So sila na yung pumipili ng snacks nila. So, para grocery tayo, isa sa kanila dapat sumama sa akin. Can you put this on first? So, the freezer. Meron akong beef na yung na-roll. This one, freezer. That one. And this one, please.
I've done this one first.
Thank you. Huh? What, Baba? Wait.
This is yucky.
Yeah, but we need to get the cold one first, Baba.
So I trust this.
Yeah. Get the...
I'm just gonna open it. I'm done.
You're done? Okay. We have to put the fruits also in the fridge. This one, Baba. Put this one. Can you close that one? Because we're not gonna do that today. I think maybe tomorrow.
I already put one roll up.
Okay. Nilagay niya na yung roll-ups.
I got 2 because I think the big one.
Where's the... Here. This one, put the milk. Remove the other one. Get lots of stuff. Nilinis ko na tong fridge namin. Kita niyo ba? Linis ko. No, not there. Baba.
You're gonna have to clean out that fridge outside.
Yeah, yeah.
Put that. Do you want me to let you drink?
Put it in there.
Somewhere.
And
Oh,
then
just leave
it's
it.
gonna fit.
Here.
I need the yogurt, Kuya. Find the yogurt, please.
I think.
All the yogurt. This one, you have to... Ito kailangan ko na itong ikat.
Okay, then.
Tapos okay, put all your yogurt here, Holly. Put here.
Oh, I love.
Close the fridge. No, here down, yeah. Close the fridge first, please.
I love. No, bring the thing down here so I can do it.
Go with Kuya. Doon sila sa baba. Ayusin nila yung... Doon sila,
So you wanted Mum to put like that?
Just go.
Yeah.
No,
Did you cut it?
What?
What's that one? Why there's... Yeah. No, you have to put it inside. Is that you? Is that you? Yeah. Let me see. No, that's not you.
Who's going?
Niloloko niya ako.
Oh, which one is that?
We have to put your ice pack, Kuya.
Yeah, and my
In
mommy.
my lunchbox.
We got ice pack there. That's the
Pink one.
tiny one.
Yeah, pink one.
Yeah. Okay. We have to put this in the
But
fridge.
I already have an iPad.
Huh?
It's a squishmallow ice pack.
Yeah. Excuse me.
But mine was you, Mom.
Baba, can you pass me the all this one, the cream, sour cream, please? So, nilagay natin sa fridge. What's this one? Let's go into the bin now.
What one?
Baba, where's the fruit? Ay, there are flies. Oh, okay. Fly.
I'm gonna try them while I try them. Mom, look. I made that.
Where are you now, Baba? Hurry up.
They all just fit.
Okay, that's good.
Look, Dad, look how much yogurt we have.
Yeah, that'll be all.
Dad,
That's good.
that's
Si
interesting.
Sak Milo yung gusto ni Sak. Eto, nakita niyo naman, di ba?
I'm gonna try my one.
Dad,
Ayan.
Hey, where's that other bag?
What bag?
the
Laundry one. In there.
ready for the. This is like a sketch.
So kay Kuya, iba yung kanyang yogurt.
Hey, jack it up above you. Hot.
Yung
Dad,
probiotic
this is what it is.
na
Dad,
vanilla.
oh, that's so
Meron siyang banana.
Oh, I got blue ones.
You got blue one.
Who got this one? Oh, you.
I got that one. And kay Holly yung maliliit.
And I get one Milo. That's all I
Okay.
get.
Si Sak Milo, siya nagpili nito, di ba?
It's hot in here.
Do you want the mango in there, Mom?
Huh?
Do you want the mango in the fridge?
Mango.
Here.
This one. I can put this in the thing.
Yeah, Mom.
Oh, this one going to the freezer yan because this is our. This one.
It's
I have to
breakfast?
divide.
I'll go put this one in this fridge over it.
No, okay, and then get the pork. The minced pork because I'm gonna make spring rolls.
Minced pork.
I got minced pork there for spring rolls. That one yan. You have to put it on top, Kuya.
Oh. Oh, Mama. Do you want the apple in there or hold on?
No, apple go up. Wow, si Sak. Estudyante si Sak, oh. Nag-ano na siya ng homework niya. Kasi ang homework ni Sak, sa Tuesday, kailangan yung
I'm
bag na...
doing my homework.
Yeah, I know.
The assignment.
The assignment, yeah, assignment. Kasi yung teacher niya, binigyan sila ng parang lolly bag. And in return, dapat kailangan maglagay si Sak ng something na interest siya or hobby niya.
Mommy, I need one.
Kasi sa Tuesday, yun yung parang introduction nila, yung magpapakilala sila para makilala nila ang isa't isa.
And rubber.
I'm going to the toilet, Mom.
Okay. So yun, si Jan, maglilinis siya ng banyo. Banyo. Where's all my... Gusto ko tong itry mamaya. Kuya, I have more here to go to the freezer, yeah. So, eto, sa Australia din natin to kakainin. Mag-expire siya February 2.
What?
So, hindi natin to bubuksan. Ah! This is not coleslaw.
I like that.
You like this?
Yeah.
Salad pala to, guys.
Oh, this freezer.
Nakuha.
Yeah, I'm not confused with coleslaw and that.
Ha?
I'm just confused with that.
No, this is that's that
Dips.
that hickory noodle bacon.
Yeah, freezer. I
Where's
need
the ham?
I need this is needle bacon. Black Forest, yeah, gypsy ham. This is for Friday.
Why didn't they give me
Monday.
No,
Oh, Friday.
For Australian Day.
Some to
For what? Monday?
School.
For school.
Yeah,
Gusto yung
lunch.
magsipag.
You love my pencil guys, right?
So, magpapakilala sila sa Monday. Siyempre, baguhan. Lahat naman sila. So, kailangan may ilagay si Sak sa bag. Doon sa maliit na paper bag. Bumili ako ng silky tofu para sa aking diet. After na ng Australia Day, guys. After, talagang back to na tayo. Si Jan, ayan, meron ulit tayong noodles, yung orange, cold noodles na gagawin. Ito yung mga, ito yung kumuha nito, yung mga Arnold's. Alam niyo naman, favorite to ng mga bata, Arnold. Si Jan, kumuha siya ng king crab. Not yet, we have to do this first before we can eat.
Okay, I'm gonna
And we're gonna do your book.
Before we eat.
No. We're gonna eat after. We're gonna eat, then we're gonna do your book.
40 minutes.
Okay? So help now. Put all the fruits here.
We'll put the milk sugar in one. I'm gonna
Bili na
do
tayong cucumber. Zach, are you gonna bring cucumber on Tuesday? Slice cucumber and carrots and dip? Tuesday.
what? Did you have?
Your school Tuesday.
I'm putting all this. Oh yeah.
Si Sak kasi, si Sak siya si Holly Tuesday ang start ng school. Si Kuya Monday. So silang kumuha ng mga
Wait, so
snacks
that means
nila.
I might get the student's birthday on Monday.
No, you're not gonna.
Friday.
You're not gonna get.
I'm gonna take it into you.
Yung aking, masarap pa naman to guys. Nilagyan ko siya yung coconut yogurt with mango siya.
Mom,
Yung
that's
flavor niya.
good that we got nutrients because I learned all of those stories.
Oh, okay.
I love this too. You love
Sam,
that.
I love it.
I love this too.
I haven't had it
You
for
love that
ages,
too.
Mom.
Okay.
Lucky I saw it.
Nilalagay niya na yung lalagyan. What else do I need? Holly, give this to Kuya because Kuya will put this in the...
I can do it.
Yeah, but you have to do the apple first.
Yeah, I will.
Yung avocado, hindi pa to guys, matigas pa
No,
siya.
there's only a little bit left.
It's alright, just put it in the box.
I'll eat it. I'll eat it. I'll eat it for my dinner. Just kidding, that's not enough.
Oh, and look.
Huh?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
it.
I
Yeah.
guessed that.
Good job.
Kasi, tingnan nyo. Nagulat si Kuya kasi ang
I didn't
nakalagay.
even know that had a thing on it.
I put before.
I didn't even know.
Green. Naka-label na siya, guys. So, yung ating mga gagamitin ko sa Tuesday, sa Friday, ilagay ko lang sa kasi tayo, anong gagawin ko ba? Mag-fruit salad sa Friday, kasi Friday is Australia Day, right? Yeah?
Yeah, I'm playing golf Friday.
Oh, si Kuya may golf.
I want to take the bug.
No, put that because that's for the fruit salad. It's alright, that's right. Si Kuya may golf.
Maybe.
Sorry naman?
Tom.
Comp. Okay, may comp siya. Si Sak, tingnan nyo si Sak. Ay, almost done. Hala. Siyang naka-assign sa sa pantry. So, yun nga. Book Friday ang Australia Day. So, ilagay ko na lang dito yung
Holly,
mga
I'm trying all this in.
gagamitin ko para hindi ko
Holly.
ilagay sa pantry. So, like, eto, yung mga jats. Kasi mag-cheese platter din tayo. Condensed milk and cream dito. Fruit salad dito din. This one is going there, so. Kumuha si dyan ng peanut butter tsaka yung bata Nutella. Saki got Oreo here. Oh my god, that's already pink.
If we take something else, it's probably going to overheat.
Alright, just leave it there for now. Put all the box. Tingnan mo yung paglagay ni Sak. What's that?
The 100,000 thing.
It's here. No, it's not sugarcane. Lemongrass. So, eto. Hindi naniniwala sa akin si Sak. Sabi ko, meron tayo nito eh. See?
We put them at top.
Top here. Wala
The
na.
top.
No, I cannot reach on that top. We just put it here. I just put it. Diyan na lang muna sila guys kasi hindi na kasya. Kasi tingnan nyo. Malapit na. Eto hindi na nagkasya sa ano namin guys. Sa pantry. So ilagay ko to sa live selling ko. Doon ko siya i-stock muna. Kasi tingnan nyo.
Is that it?
Ayan yung mga snacks. May dingdong tayo dito. Potato fries. And yun na lang yung aayusin ko. Yung ref natin ay, si Holly excited siya guys. Sobrang excited niya nang pumasok. So ayan ang itsura ng fridge natin. Ayan. And meron din dun na linagay sa kabilang fridge. Okay. So ayan na guys. Yung rice na lang. Ito na lang. Buti na lang guys. Naalala ko yung rice. Wala tayong rice. Wala tayong mapapakain sa ating bisita bukas. Meron akong binili sa sa shop. Eto. Nung nag-fried rice tayo. Ayan. Ayan lang yung rice natin. Buti na lang naalala ko to. Pinaalala ko to kay Kuya. Nasabi ko, paalalahan niya. Sinabihan ko si Kuya na ipaalala niya sa akin yung rice. Hindi niya naman. Yeah, I think so. This one, Kuya, you need to put this in the bin. Wait lang. Ayan, may rice na tayo. So, okay na guys. So, ito yung aming dinner tonight. Yan. And yung chicken, gusto kong kainin yung pakpak. Kuya, this one. Okay, but the box, can we remove the box?
Because